Hi, so I'm going to show you how our SuperMiniStream app works for helping people who are running virtual conferences easily schedule and manage multiple YouTube live broadcasts that they might have running during the conference. So here on this sheet I have an example of the kind of input that we take. This is just a single track, just to keep things simple for this example, but I have some time slots, this session, then there's a little break, and then I have some additional stuff that takes place. And this is scheduled onto some set of computers that the user has using our script. So we'll run this scheduled day script. So our app consists of two scripts. This scheduled day one. So, day. This also takes, this is the Discord guild ID. So it will also create some Discord channels for the user. So I'll start that, and we'll open our authentication flow. So I'm going to pick my personal account that I'm going to use for the SuperMiniStream manager. And you can see here's our client ID. So I'll just use my personal account here. For this test of videos, it's going to create a private. So we're not verified yet, so we have this unregistered thing. So we're going to view the YouTube account, manage the YouTube account. So this first one we're going to use to create the live broadcasts, manage the streams. Same for these. These are the different permissions that we need to use the YouTube account to create the broadcasts, bind the streams, and update the descriptions. So I'm going to hit allow there. So that's done. And now you can see here in the Python script, it's creating these broadcasts. It prints out some information about the session for me. So if we look at my YouTube channel where I have the live videos, we refresh that page, we see now that I have these sessions created here. So I have this LDAV session 1, and LDAV session 2. I ran the script earlier too, so I created this test one. But and you can see that they're scheduled for the dates that they're set at. So if we go to one of these, has a picture of my face there. But anyway, we have the session, the YouTube information, Discord chat link, all the stuff that we need, information about the schedule. And so now I'll show you our second script. This is part of the same application where now I'm going to start streaming this presentation video. And I'll use our advanced streams script. What this does, it takes the output of the sheet, which has now the information about the YouTube channel bound to each stream. And it takes the time that you want to end videos at. So we're starting the first video of the day, so we're just going to say none. And the time that the video should have started by that you want to begin. So we just kind of pick a time in the middle. This uses the same authentication, so it's part of the same application. Right? We use the same permissions and the same client ID. And so because it's a separate Python script, but it's the same application. And now you'll see that we've attached this stream to this YouTube broadcast. So if we come back here and refresh the page, we'll actually see that this has started streaming. Sometimes there's a little delay before it becomes live, but there we go. Right, and we can do the same thing. Now the bot is used to advance the streams through the day. So now I say, okay, I want to end sessions that end, between 8:30 and say 10:30, and I want to start the sessions that start in that time. So let's pick, like 9, say like 8:50. So we run the same advanced stream script. We see here the client ID. Right, I'll use my same personal YouTube account. We go through the same authentication flow. Allow the same permissions to manage the YouTube account again. These are just the 3 YouTube data API scopes that we need. All right, we're done with the authentication. And we'll see that if we refresh the page here, this one's now offline, so it's been archived. And if we come back to our videos list, we'll see that LDAV session 2 has been made live. So we've just moved the single stream that the user's running to the next YouTube video. So if we just go check that out, we'll see that it's running, showing the same image that we're streaming. And then you just run the script again to end the days, and that's all there is to it.